Welcome back, people. Update on the Avion workshop conversion. A lot has changed since that last intro video. I just want to get to ground zero. I want to get to blank slate. Blank slate is when it is ready to be turning into a shop versus just getting it ready in general, which is what I've been doing. Cleaning it out, putting in the floor and painting it. Like, this isn't really shop related stuff, so I'm kind of doing that off camera. I'm getting it to like the blank slate, and then we're gonna build from there. The paint was put down yesterday. It might be okay, but I don't want to walk on it just yet. The whole spot has had quite the transformation. The floor is done, at least almost all the way done. And my platforms, to get over the wheel wells and not have this weird space where you can't put anything, these platforms sort of like raise everything up so that I could put heavy stuff there. The walls and ceiling have been painted, so we get a nice clean look, keep it nice and bright in here. Parts of the trailer that had big holes cut away for certain utilities, refrigerator, water heater, I do not need those appliances anymore. Removing them has left large holes. Do those cuts, you know, that could be done by hand, but I have a CNC plasma cutter. This is something that you've seen before, but if you're new to the channel, you've never seen this before, so I'm gonna show you the plasma cutter. So here she is. There's a computer involved, a plasma cutting unit, and this CNC water table. And you see all these panelish holes. These are panels that I've already cut. So my issue right now is that there's 2 more plates that I wanna make. Inside plates. But the problem is that with the floor a little bit wet still, how am I gonna get inside and measure? I'm thinking if I just kind of like jump on the platform and walk down it and then hop on that one, I should be able to get in there without touching the floor. Maybe. Okay, so with this information, we're gonna head to the computer and do some CADing and design the pieces for the plasma cutter. The other panels that I have, instead of like redesigning the whole thing each time, I'm just modifying what I have to reshape it. Okay, beautiful. So on and so forth. I'm gonna keep doing this. Once we have all these files, we're gonna bring them to the plasma cutter and cut them out. And that's the fun. It's time. With the touch of a button, it will be cut on the plasma cutter. Voila. So like I said before, this will need to be cleaned up. I don't want to get too in depth with this, but I'm just gonna keep moving. This is gonna be a short video. Just on how I'm doing the panels, because I thought that was interesting. The precision required, the finesse. Using the same tools that we've used to make mopeds, we're using to refurbish the moped shop on wheels. Getting the things inside, that'll be a story for tomorrow or the next day, coming up very soon. I'm a little anxious about it. This is a spacious trailer, but it's not like very spacious, if you know what I mean. This is Pete from Second Stroke Mopeds saying, don't forget about mopeds. Join me on building the moped shop out of a sweet Avion. Why an Avion? The way I see it, if you're gonna make a moped shop out of a trailer, you might as well do it with style.